So over here, you can see that I have an image over here on a design file. And if you want to work around with the image adjustment options, then you can click on the image. And over here, you can see on the fill option, image is here. Once you click on image, what happens is that there are different options right here. There's exposure option, contrast, saturation, temperature, tint, highlights, and shadows. So let's see what they do. So if I were to go around right here and increase out the exposure, you can increase out the brightness of the picture, as you can see. Decrease out the exposure and the brightness of the picture decreases, as you can see right here. So you can increase and decrease the brightness of the picture right here. The other option you have is contrast. So once you increase out the contrast, the difference between black and white increases right here. If you decrease the contrast right here, the difference between black and white decreases as well. So you can increase and decrease the contrast of the image as well. You can go around and work around with the saturation as well. You can increase out the color of the image right here, or decrease out the color entirely as well and make the picture black and white. So I'm just going to go around, increase out the color a bit. So according to how you like it, you can increase and decrease out the amount of different values right here. You can increase and decrease out the temperature as well. So if you increase out the temperature, you can make it more warmer right here or make it more cooler according to how you like it. So as per what you like, you can increase and decrease the temperature as well. Then there's the tint. You can increase out the tint right here to make it more pinkish or make it more greenish right here. So let me just go around and make it a bit more green right here so that it seems green right here. You can increase out the highlights. So highlights, when you're working around with this, it only affects out the bright part of the picture. So if I were to increase the highlights, you can see that it affects the sky and the reflection of the sky right here, and the dark portions remain as it is. But if I were to go around and work around with the shadows, then this is how it works, as you can see right here. You can increase or decrease out the highlight right here, just like this, and increase out the shadows over here as well. And this is how it looks. So that is how you can work around with the image adjustment options inside of Figma, inside of design file. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.